How you doing today? I'm RJ.
I'm Tracy.
And we're with ISW. And today we're going to show you some inkjet paper. We're going to start off by showing you Neenah JET-PRO Soft Stretch.
So JET-PRO Soft Stretch is a paper for light garments. It'll work on light colors as well, but you just have to keep in mind that since the polymer coating on the paper is actually clear, the color of the shirt could bleed through and could change the color of your image. Anything that's not printed is actually going to turn out to be the color of the shirt you're putting it on. So light pinks, light blues, light yellows, things like that. RJ colored this pretty little picture for his mom for Mother's Day, so that's what we're going to press today. A couple tips about JET-PRO Soft Stretch. After you press it, you want to give it a tug, and that helps with the durability of it. So JET-PRO Soft Stretch is going to be pressed at 375 for about 30 seconds, and then it's going to be peeled hot. Now with this paper, you're actually going to, the backing, it's going to be image face down on your garment. And it's going to be a medium to a heavy pressure. So we're going to peel it while it's still on the platen. It's going to be warm. And then we're going to give it just a little bit of a tug here, just to kind of help with the stretchability a little bit. So here's your finished garment. Oh, your mom's going to love that.
Yep.
So a couple tips about this paper is you are going to want to print in mirror image because the paper does go on backwards. So as you're looking at the front of the paper, it's going to be the opposite way. You can repress it with a silicone sheet or a Teflon sheet over the top of it to give it a little bit better washability, but you don't have to. That first press is sufficient. Cold water washing inside out's best. Other than that, it's just very fancy.
Yep, my mom's going to love it.
Yep. So this is RJ, I'm Tracy. ISW, we just showed you guys JET-PRO Soft Stretch, so keep an eye out for the next video to come.